Yes, people. Just thought I'd come over Cannock Chase and get the drone out and have a little fitness ride. The bike look all nice and dirty now. Yeah, man. Put a little video together because I don't want to just take the drone out and end up smashing it up like. So I thought I'd just come and bring it out first on a little practice run. Yeah, man. Hope you enjoy the video. Sick.
Alright, I'm ready now, I ain't gonna fall back now. Alright, I'm take it on me, baby. Alright, I ever ask, are you gonna be my lover? Tonight, I'll take you with me. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. Alright, I'm ready now, I ain't gonna stop right now. Alright, I take it on me, ooh baby. Alright, I never asked, do you wanna see my fire? Tonight, take it with me, What if I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind.